Okay, so what is an internal conflict?
It's like something you can see but you can't like analyze
Okay, so it's a conflict that comes from inside your mind. Okay, so maybe you're struggling with making a decision. That's internal, it's inside your mind. Okay, what is man versus man? Give me an example of a man versus man conflict.
the mailman versus the husband.
The what?
The mailman fighting the husband.
Okay, a man fighting a man. That is a conflict. Okay, man versus man conflict. What about man versus society? What's an example of that?
It's like a lot of people versus one man, like a group versus one girl.
Okay, so maybe one man versus a law that was created by society. Maybe one man versus.
So basically, man versus government.
Kinda, yeah. Or if there's someone that does not want to get the COVID-19 vaccine, but society and the government are pressuring this person into getting the vaccine, man versus society. Okay, what about man versus nature? Give an example of that.
Like if you were in the woods and
Okay, man versus hurricane. That works. Or being out lost in the woods. That works. Okay, what about man versus technology?
Like somebody versus the internet
Could be, yeah,
or their phone. Something like that.
yeah. Or a robot. Anything that involves technology that creates conflict for someone is man versus technology. What about man versus supernatural?
Was it like man versus self?
What does supernatural mean, Alex?
supernatural, like unearthly thing.
Yes. So, like ghosts. Man versus ghost. Man versus demon. Man versus something that's, like Alex said, not earthly. Okay, what is the definition of an external conflict? Okay, a conflict that occurs outside of you, externally. Okay, so with that being said, which one of these types of conflicts fits under internal conflict? Internal is man versus self. Okay, all of the rest of these are what? External. Okay, so for this slide, you're going to give one example of an internal conflict from the Grinch book. You're going to type it right here in the 1A box. Then you are going to pick if it is man versus self, man versus man, etc. You're going to type it right here in the 1B box. Okay, then for 1C, you are answering, how is this conflict important to the overall story or plot? Okay, and then you're going to do the same thing for question 2A, 2B, 2C. Okay, next slide. Thematic topics and theme. Okay, a thematic topic is one word addressing a central message. Examples, love or hope. Okay, thematic topics are abstract, which means they cannot be seen or touched. Okay, so for example, hope. You cannot see it visually with your eyes. It's not like a chair that you can see. And you also cannot touch it. You cannot physically put your finger on it. That's what abstract means. Okay, a theme is a multi-word statement, aka a sentence made up of several words, addressing a central message about human nature or society. Example, love can be shown in different ways. Okay, so thematic topic, love. Theme, love can be shown in different ways. See the difference between the two? One is one word. The next one, you're using that one word and you're creating a statement about human nature. Yes? William is the only one that's following what I'm saying?
It just got confusing.
What's confusing? Specifically.
I get the list 3 problem, but on the other side, I don't.
We're not even down there yet. We're just talking about what a topic is and what a theme is. What is the difference between a topic and a theme?
Topic is one word and the theme is like describing.
You use that one word and describe it as a statement.
Okay, theme is a full sentence using that one abstract word topic that says something about human nature or society. Okay, so if you have the topic hope, what is a sentence that you could come up with about the word hope that can be applied to most people?
Hold on, what do you mean by that?
Can we say the sentence like, hold on.
What is something important about the word hope that's true for everyone? Gianna, quit typing. You need to be paying attention.
I know what it is, I just don't know how to say it. Like, it lets people. I don't know how to say it.
Try.
Like, have faith or something?
Okay. So having faith and having hope. What about it?
They're the same, basically.
What about having faith or having hope?
Like, it makes people push themselves harder.
Okay, having faith and hope allows people, or having faith or hope gives people motivation.
See, I didn't know how to say that.
That's a theme statement. Using the topic hope. Okay, another one is right there underneath theme. It's important to have hope even when faced with obstacles. So do you see how you're starting with one topic and you are creating a sentence that's true for almost everyone?
Yeah.
I hope so, because you guys are getting a correctness grade on this and I'm trying to help you and you're just staring at your feet or the wall or at me like you're not even in this world. Okay, so in the first column, you see the numbers 1, 2, 3. Okay, right here beside number 1, you are creating a thematic topic word that can be applied to the story of the Grinch. So one word beside number 1. Be sure that it's not something that you can touch or see. Okay, same for 2, same for 3. So just thematic topics. Okay, when you get over here to the second column, you are choosing 2 of those topics that you came up with, and you are creating a universal theme statement for each of them. You're going to type the statement below beside the corresponding topic. You should have 2 different theme statements. Okay? So if you have 3 blanks right here and you're only choosing 2, how many empty blanks are you going to have? 1. Okay, so right here, these 3 are going to be filled in with 1 word each. Over here, 2 of these are going to contain a sentence about human nature using the word that you put over here. Yes?
Yeah.
Naomi, does that make more sense? All right, y'all need to get started. You need to be sure that you are using the review information, because some of you are just typing things in and not getting a good grade.